We have a pretty fun day lined up today, guys. Jarod is coming over. We are going to test fit one or two of my XD9's on his car, just for fun. If you guys saw on my Instagram, I posted a photo up of his car with white XD9's that he photoshopped. And honestly, if I were to sell my XD9's, they would go to him, so he would be able to do that setup. Hypothetically, probably this won't happen, but we're just doing it for fun. It's a Saturday. We have nothing else to do. So he's coming over soon, and then I'm charging up my car right now because, once again, the battery is dead. For all of you guys that ordered merchandise, I shipped it out today, so expect that within 3, 4, or 5 days of when, or now that's Tuesday, so you guys are seeing this Tuesday, you'll probably get it Wednesday or Thursday maybe. Alright, stop.
On my car.
We'll try. That camber wear. Put a hand.
Yeah, look at that. What's the duct tape for?
Holds my wheel weights.
Oh, they're coming off?
Yeah.
And then, well, actually, the height isn't that much different. What's your sidewall?
255? Or no, sorry, 35?
Oh, that's why. Okay. Because I think mine are 40s. 40? 17 by 7.5s.
I think I have to turn the volume up.
Oh, that's okay. Hitting the big brakes.
Yeah. I mean, they're light though.
They are definitely
Sure.
light. There's gonna be some massive poke in this.
Where the heck?
There we go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is huge.
I'll just put. Dang, you have tiny lug nuts.
Oh yeah, I switched them out. Give the perception that my wheels are actually wider than they really are. The green on the blue. It's a lot of color.
Is this just your...
Yeah. Look at that poke.
Is it pretty?
It's sticking out quite a bit. We'll see after you want it then.
Got a lot of gap in here.
Is it okay in the back? It should be good. I've closed.
Yeah, no, you're good.
These look huge.
The difference between those two?
Yeah.
Dude, you got mad poke from the front.
Yeah, this is like a lot.
Alright, go for it.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Yo. Look at that. 2 fingers.
Alright guys, so now we're going to test fit the rear wheel, just because we want to see. As you can see, there's an insane difference between the front and the rear. And also I noticed my front has a lot more inner camper wear, just because it's 2.5 in the rear, 2.8 in the front. So yeah, R888s are probably looking up for my next track tire, R888Rs. Alright guys, you ready for this? It's pretty insane. Cover you up real quick.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Talk about fitment. I think you're actually sitting on my tire.
I think I am. I don't. It looks raised compared to the other side. Yeah. It's def.
But we're also on an uneven surface, so why don't we push you back a little?
Okay.
Now we have some clearance.
On the oh, dude, that would rub so much. That's definitely form of the function. You need flares for that. That's like
I mean, I love the color. It kind of looks good. The
green and the blue.
Yeah, like the ice blue.
Yeah. Now that the tail's gone, with the amber gone in here, it looks a lot better from the rear.
Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. You like this setup? Of course, he would change the color. He would want white XD9's. But what do you think? Size, don't think about size. Just think about how the XD9's themselves look on this car. Alright, wrapping it back up. Putting his wheels back on. It's really tempting to drive my car right now, but I'm not going to do it. I'll let her idle a little, pull it out, idle. But make sure to follow Jarod on Instagram. I'll put his name up on the screen, jarod.photo. Got a very clean JDM swapped, basically, wagon. We also have a video of his car, so I'll put the link to that video down below.
The engine's not swapped though.
Right, okay, but everything else is basically swapped. Eh. Look, we're charged up.
18s don't look that bad.
I don't know if you guys miss this car as much as I do, but
I don't know.
so I was gonna fly the drone, forgot an SD card. I was gonna use the gimbal, forgot my base plate. So yeah, I wish we had the drone. It would have been sick for these shots.
You have a computer with you?
No.
And then you could use my whatchamacallit. It's gonna be photoshopped white. Maybe.
It's alright. Move up a little. That's good. that's gonna end it for this video today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, do your thing. And the turbo is being built right now, so here's a little update. Turbo is being built, the FP green 10 centimeters, is being built to order. The Wiseco boost line rods are being shipped February 6th to Adam, and the block is still getting the pistons and all that stuff figured out, board, and that should come back to Adam. So we're looking at about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks until we start to assemble the block itself. And I'll definitely be able to video that process for you guys. So when all the car parts come, like the turbo, the boost rod, or the boost line rods, and the block, that'll be the next part 7 of the motor build. So gotta find some filler videos, but take care, guys. See you in the next video.